guys, welcome back to my channel and a very Merry Christmas to you all. So today is my Christmas makeup tutorial. I have my Christmas t-shirt on, ready to go. So every year on my channel I film a Christmas makeup tutorial, and this year it's more of a natural one. So it's more of a wearable Christmas makeup tutorial. So this year I'm not doing a bold red lip like I normally do. I'm doing something a bit more subtle because on Christmas Day, sometimes people want to go full glam, which is fine, but that's not me. I personally don't always want to go full glam on Christmas Day. So today is more of a natural, more wearable makeup look. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm starting off by priming my face using the Barbarella Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. And then for primer, I'm going in with the Max Factor Miracle Prep Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer using my Real Techniques stippling brush. On Christmas Day, you want your makeup to last all day, so you definitely need to use a primer. Okay, so for foundation, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation in the shade F1. I like something not too matte during the winter time. I like something with a little bit of hydration in because my skin can be particularly dry throughout winter. And this is also a really full coverage foundation, so it's really good to last all day as well. So I'm going to apply this with my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Foundation Brush. And then I'm going in with the matching concealer. So this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer, and mine is in the shade C1. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. Now for powder, I'm using the number 7 Translucent Perfect Light Loose Powder. And to set my eye area first, I'm using my Morphe G35 Brush. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using my Morphe E2 Brush. Now for contour and bronzer, I'm using the e.l.f. contour palette. Haven't used this for a while actually, but it is one of my favourites. So to contour my face, I'm using this shade on my U Spicy 27 brush. And then for bronzer, I'm going in with this shade here on my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush. Now for blush, I'm using a Colourpop blush, and this is from the Disney Designer Collection, and it's the Enchanted Mirror Pressed Powder Blush. It's a beautiful pink shade, it's so pretty. I'm using my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush to apply it. And then for highlighter, I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Lunch Money, using my Real Techniques Setting Brush. Right, now time for the eyes. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to be using one of these single eyeshadows. This is by Natural Collection, and it's their mono eyeshadow in the shade Milk Chocolate. So it's just a neutral brown shade, and this is going to go through the crease on my Morphe R37 brush. So then I'm going into one of these Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes. So this is the Colour Icon eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose in the Air. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going in with this transition shade on the end, and I'm popping that through the crease as well, just a little bit on the same brush. And then I'm going to take my Sigma E40 Tapered blending brush just to clean up the edges. There's nothing on this brush, it's just to do some cleanup. Okay, now I'm using my Morphe M412 brush to go in with this dark brown shade here, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corners. Now I'm going back in with the original first shade that I used, the milk chocolate shade, on the same brush just to clean up with the blending. Now I'm using all those same colours that I just used on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. And then for some Christmas sparkle, it's not Christmas without a bit of glitter or a bit of sparkle, is it? So I've got this Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Ladybird. Now, this eyeshadow is very, very messy, okay? So you will have glitter pretty much everywhere by the end of the night. Yeah, so just be aware of that. It is the most amazing eyeshadow, but it gets everywhere. You end up eating it by the end of the night. So yeah, make sure you set your face to try and prevent that as much as possible. But it is very glittery, but it is beautiful, so just so you know. So I'm going to use my little finger to apply it. Just look at that sparkle, it is stunning. Right, so now I'm going to set my eyebrows using my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. And then I'm going to set my face using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. You need to make sure your makeup lasts as long as possible, so make sure you set your face. Now, I was going to make this all drugstore, but I changed my mind because I really wanted to use my Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner and mascara because they are so good. So I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Roll Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil. So it's like an eye crayon in the shade Barbarella Brown. So it's literally just like an eye crayon. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers. And then I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes mascara. Okay, now finally for lips, I'm going with a really natural lip. I'm literally going with a lip balm. This is the Nivea Strawberry Shine Lip Balm, but it does give a little bit of red colour. But I've got quite bold eyes, so I'm going to keep the lips quite subtle. So that completes my Christmas makeup tutorial 2021. Like I said, a bit of a bold eye look, but very sparkly and really easy to create yourself. And then more of a natural, wearable, everyday lip. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!